Yeah.
We'll be making this delicious recipe of Chappli Kebab as well as our Mince chutney. I'm going to show you two easy ways with and without oven. So let's get right into the video. First up, we've taken 300 gram mutton mince. I've taken the one with fat so the kebabs can come out juicier. You guys can take any other meat mince you like. Next up I have 1 chopped onion, chopped garlic and ginger, a few green chilies, coriander and 1 fresh tomato. We've taken 1 chopper. We're going to chop all our ingredients together. First up we're going to add in the onions, and our green chilies, as well as the ginger and garlic. See, our ingredients are finely chopped, and this is how it should be because it mustn't become a paste. They must be visibly seen. Now lastly we're adding in the tomatoes. We're adding them last, as if we added them before the mixture will become watery. And our coriander leaves. It just gives such a nice smell. Now we're going to chop this together again. Now our ingredients are finely chopped. You can see everything is mixed well together. Now we're going to add them to the mince. Next up, we're going to add in our dry spices. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon salt. Just the salt, we're not going to add in any red pepper or any other spice as we already have added the green chilies. I'm going to add in also 1 teaspoon of garam masala. The mixture is also very spicy because of the green chilies. You don't want to add too much spice, so this is enough. Now we're just going to be adding in the Chappli Kebab masala. This is very important. You guys can use any brand you like. You can buy from the supermarkets. It's easily found everywhere. Just before I mix this, I'm going to add in 1 egg, just so our mixture combines well when we're binding the kebabs. If you want to leave this option out, you don't like eggs or don't eat eggs, you can totally leave this out. This is just so the kebabs bind well together. We're going to mix this well together. Stir. perfectly mixed together, the mixture is ready. Now we're going to marinate it for about 2 to 3 hours. So next up I'm going to show you how to make an easy chutney for the kebabs. I've taken a few coriander and mint leaves. I'm going to add this. It's really easy to make. It's made within a minute. One green chili. I'm going to squeeze in some lemon juice. That's not easy now. 1/4 teaspoon salt. To add in 2 tablespoons yogurt. And now we're going to blend this. That's all. Now you can see it's smooth and it's blended well. It's blended well. You can see the mint and the coriander. Now it's too green, so we're going to add in a few tablespoons of yogurt into it. I'm going to add in about 3. And just give it a good stir. And there we go, it's looking perfect. Now I'm going to pour it out. You can see how well blended this is. There we go. Just made in less than 2 minutes. I've lined the oven tray with foil. You don't have to do this. It's just optional. Now I'm going to drizzle some oil. Just brush it evenly. After marinating for about 3 hours, this is looking so perfect for the chappli kebabs. I can just smell the fresh coriander from it. Now we're going to make it into circles. Remember, I'm doing it with hand because this doesn't have to be perfect. As you know, chappli kebabs aren't a perfect round shape. Second way, without the oven, because most of us don't have oven, so you can also fry them on a pan. Just drizzle some oil. It's a very similar way. Again, we're going to have a meatball. We slightly press it down. A tomato slice. We just gently press it on here. The other side, we press it down. Give it a nice round shape. This is optional, you don't have to add the slice. See, the sides are turning golden brown. That means one side is completely cooked. You only have to turn this once. nicely brown. This shows that the sides, especially the side that turned golden brown, this shows that it's cooked on one side. Now we're going to let the other side cook for about 5 to 6 minutes as well. So after about 6 minutes, I think my kebabs are perfectly ready. I've just given them a bit dark brown color as my mom prefers it like that. We like it a bit well done, but it's up to you. So if you like it a bit less well done, you can keep it for 5 minutes. I've given about 6 to 7 minutes. So this is perfectly ready now. You can see frying them is so much easier. You can always make them without the oven. Just freshly out of the oven and they're smelling so delicious. As you can see, there's not much difference with or without the oven. Do let me know which one you guys prefer. It's smelling so amazing. Cannot wait to have this. My chapli kebabs are ready. I've garnished them and they look so perfect. You can see I've added the ones with oven and without the oven, and there's not much difference. They are so easy to make. Please do try this recipe. I'll show you guys one because I cannot wait to have it. It tastes so yummy and looks so yummy. I'm going to dip it in our chutney. They look so tasty and easy to make. They are so yummy. Please guys, do share, like and subscribe this video. See you guys next time.